Hi, boys and girls. This story is called Jazz Baby. That is the title, Jazz Baby. The story was written by Carol Boston Weatherford, illustrated by Laura Freeman. Now remember, this is the front cover of the book. This is the title, Jazz Baby. The author is the person that wrote the words. That's the Carol Boston Weatherford. And illustrator is the person that drew the pictures, and that is Laura Freeman. And I turn the page. This is the title page of the book, Jazz Baby. Here's another title page, Jazz Baby. Look at all the girls and the boys. Jazz Baby, Jazz Baby. Join the band. You've got music in your hands. Jazz Baby, blow your horn. You've got rhythm, sure as you're born. Jazz Baby, tap your feet. Snap your fingers, happy beat. Jazz Baby, pound your drum. Hear it thump, thump, rum-a-tum-tum. Jazz Baby, swing and sway. Shake and shimmy, dance all day. Jazz Baby, strike those keys. Make them plink, plink, if you please. Jazz Baby, cut a rug. Jiggle, wiggle, jitterbug. When they say cut a rug, they mean dance. Jazz Baby, plunk those strings till that big bass sizzles, sings. Jazz Baby, hippity hop, bounce and boogie, bebop-de-bop. Jazz Baby, hum a song, let it rock you all night long. The end. This is the back cover, boys and girls, of the story. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day.